The R36S handheld gaming device does not have built-in Wi-Fi capability. To connect it to the internet, external hardware, or a tethered connection is required. This tutorial explains two methods: using a USB Wi-Fi dongle with an OTG adapter, or using USB tethering from an Android phone. Method 1. Using a USB Wi-Fi dongle and OTG adapter. What you will need: a USB OTG adapter, a USB Wi-Fi dongle compatible with the R36S. Not all dongles are supported. Steps: power off the R36S completely. Connect the USB Wi-Fi dongle to the USB port of the OTG adapter. Connect the USB-C side of the OTG adapter to the bottom right port of the R36S. The bottom left port is for charging and power only and does not support data. Power on the R36S and wait for the system to load. Navigate to the settings menu, then look for the Wi-Fi or network option. Turn Wi-Fi on. The system will scan for available wireless networks. Select your network and enter the password if required. Method 2. Using USB tethering from an Android phone. This method requires a USB-C data cable and an Android phone. Steps: connect one end of the USB-C data cable to the Android phone and the other end to the R36S. Unlock the Android phone and go to Settings. Navigate to the Network or Hotspot section. Enable USB tethering. Once enabled, the R36S will automatically detect the internet connection. No Wi-Fi password is required. Limitations: the R36S does not have internal Wi-Fi hardware. Both methods require external hardware or a secondary device. Compatibility of USB Wi-Fi dongles varies, and not all dongles will function correctly with the device. The R36S can connect to the internet using either a supported USB Wi-Fi dongle via an OTG adapter or USB tethering from an Android phone. The USB tethering method is generally more reliable and does not require additional hardware beyond a compatible data cable.